Hi there, my name is Lemlem. On this channel I'll be documenting my experiences as I try to fit in and adapt to my culture as an African. Being born in faraway Europe, it was very easy to lose touch with my heritage. As a result, I decided to travel to Eritrea, where I'll challenge myself to fit in into my ancestral culture and the way of life. Everyone knows that Africa has a very unique and equally diverse culture. These different cultures are beautiful, interesting and exciting from the west to the east, but all across Africa it's beautiful, and the different societies have their unique way of life that sets them apart from other societies. While colonization and privatization of Western civilization have eroded many African cultures, African societies have managed to stay true and hold on to many of their customs and cultures. My home country, Eritrea, is a small country by land mass and population. However, the different ethnic groups do have different cultures. The difference between the cultures is as distant as day end. This is also true for many African countries. Regardless of the population, the land mass of the country, you always find that there are different cultures and different societies. When I got to Eritrea, I understood that it's not enough to simply travel home, visit the places, hear stories about your ancestry, their way of life and all. It's not enough to learn about the food they eat, the way they make their hair, the way they dress, and the way they greet people from a day-to-day basis and relating to one another. It is not enough to hear stories and watch people do these things. One needs to experience the culture from a first-hand perspective, and this is why I've decided to go on this trip. Therefore, I made a decision that I'm going to challenge myself to adapt to the culture, people, and experience it in real time. I'm going to try dress like my people, eat like they do, make the dishes they do, and make my hair the way the women in my hometown do. I know that's going to be challenging, seeing my first full encounter with the culture. I also trust that it was going to be a journey filled with fun and unique experiences, hence this channel. I would love for you all to join me on this journey as I strive to experience my heritage and ancestral culture from a first-hand perspective. So please do subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification feature, and let's experience Eritrean culture together. Thank you for listening.